Have you ever wondered if it's truly possible to become a millionaire without winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune? Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past and you're free to pursue your dreams. Today, we're diving into The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach, a book that promises to reveal simple, automated strategies to achieve financial independence. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover how small changes can transform your financial future. Meeting the McIntyres. Our journey begins with the story of Jim and Sue McIntyre, a seemingly ordinary couple with extraordinary financial success. Despite having average incomes, they managed to retire early and live comfortably. Their secret? A straightforward, automated financial plan that ensured they were always on track. This story sets the tone for the entire book. Anyone can achieve financial freedom through the right strategies. Takeaway: financial success is within reach for everyone, no matter their income level. Chapter 1. The Latte Factor. In the first chapter, Bach introduces the concept of the latte factor. This is the idea that small, daily expenditures can accumulate into significant amounts over time. Think about that daily coffee, snack, or impulse purchase. Bach encourages readers to track their daily spending to identify these small leaks. By cutting out these unnecessary expenses and redirecting that money into savings, you can accumulate substantial wealth over time. He shares compelling examples and calculations, showing how spending just $5 a day on a latte can add up to $1,800 a year. If invested wisely, this amount can grow exponentially over decades, thanks to the power of compound interest. Bach's point is that it's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Takeaway: identifying and redirecting small daily expenses can kickstart your savings and build a significant financial reserve. Chapter 2. The Automatic Millionaire Blueprint. This chapter lays the foundation for the entire book. The importance of paying yourself first and doing it automatically. Bach stresses setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. This way, saving and investing happen consistently without relying on willpower. The less you have to think about it, the more likely you are to stick with it. Bach explains how to set up these automatic transfers and provides tips on how much to allocate. He suggests starting with at least 10% of your income but encourages aiming higher if possible. The beauty of this approach is that once set up, it requires no further effort, making it a foolproof method to grow your wealth. Takeaway: automating your savings and investments ensures consistent progress towards financial goals without the need for constant discipline. Chapter 3. The Automatic Debt-Free Lifestyle. Debt is a significant barrier to financial freedom, and Bach offers strategies to eliminate it systematically. He suggests automating debt payments to ensure they're always on time and considering the debt snowball method. This method involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. By focusing on one debt at a time, you can gradually eliminate all your debts. Bach also discusses the psychological benefits of seeing debts disappear one by one, which can provide a strong sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. Additionally, he advises negotiating lower interest rates and consolidating debts where possible to reduce the financial burden faster. Takeaway: automating debt payments helps you get rid of debt faster, avoiding late fees, and improving your financial health. Chapter 4. Automatic Savings. This chapter delves into building an emergency fund and saving for short-term goals. Bach recommends setting up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, preventing the need to incur more debt. This step is crucial for financial stability and peace of mind. Bach provides guidelines on how much to save in your emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. He also suggests setting up separate accounts for different goals, such as a vacation fund or a new car fund, to ensure you're consistently saving towards these objectives. Takeaway: establishing an emergency fund and saving for short-term goals automatically provides financial security and peace of mind. If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share it with friends and family who could benefit from these life-changing financial strategies. Now, let's get back to transforming your financial future. Chapter 5. Automatic Retirement. In this chapter, Bach focuses on the importance of contributing to retirement accounts like 401(k), and IRAs. He highlights the benefits of employer matching contributions, where your employer matches your contributions up to a certain percentage. This is essentially free money for your retirement. Bach also underscores the power of compound interest, where your money earns interest on interest, significantly growing your savings over time. Setting up automatic contributions to these accounts ensures you're steadily building a secure financial future. Bach provides a detailed guide on choosing the right retirement accounts and maximizing contributions. He also explains the importance of starting early, as the longer your money is invested, the more it can grow. He shares real-life examples to illustrate how small, regular contributions can lead to a comfortable retirement. Takeaway: consistent, automatic contributions to retirement accounts are essential for long-term financial security and leveraging employer matching and compound interest. Chapter 6. Automatic Investing. Bach explains how to invest automatically through mutual funds and index funds. He advises diversifying investments and keeping costs low. By setting up automatic, regular investments, you can benefit from dollar-cost averaging. This strategy involves buying a fixed dollar amount of an investment regularly, which reduces the impact of market volatility. Over time, this approach can help grow your wealth with less risk. He goes into detail about choosing the right investment vehicles, comparing the benefits of mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs. Bach emphasizes the importance of understanding fees and selecting low-cost options to maximize returns. He also covers the psychological advantages of automatic investing, as it removes the temptation to time the market. Takeaway: automatic, regular investments in a diversified portfolio help build wealth over time with less risk and effort. Chapter 7. The Automatic Homeowner. Homeownership is another key to wealth building. Bach emphasizes the benefits of owning a home and automating mortgage payments. He suggests strategies for accelerating mortgage payoff, such as making bi-weekly payments instead of monthly ones. By treating your home as an investment and paying off your mortgage faster, you can build significant equity and reduce interest payments. Bach also discusses the financial advantages of homeownership, including tax benefits and the potential for property value appreciation. He provides tips on selecting the right mortgage and managing home-related expenses to ensure they fit within your overall financial plan. Takeaway: owning a home and automating mortgage payments can be a significant step toward building wealth and financial stability. Chapter 8. The Automatic Tithe. Bach introduces the idea of giving back through tithing. He suggests that a portion of your income should be automatically donated to charity or causes you care about. This practice not only helps others, but also enriches your life and gives you a sense of purpose. Automated giving ensures that your charitable contributions are consistent and hassle-free. He shares inspiring stories of individuals who have incorporated tithing into their financial plans and experienced increased happiness and fulfillment. Bach argues that generosity is a key component of a rich life and encourages readers to find causes that resonate with them. Takeaway: regular, automated charitable contributions can enhance your sense of purpose and fulfillment, contributing to overall happiness. Chapter 9. Make a difference with your life. The final chapter is about the broader impact of financial independence. Bach encourages readers to use their financial stability to pursue passions, help others, and make a difference in the world. He emphasizes that financial success should be a means to an end, not the end itself. By achieving financial freedom, you can focus on what truly matters to you and create a positive impact. Bach discusses various ways to give back, from volunteering time to supporting social causes, and how financial independence can enable you to contribute more significantly. He provides examples of people who have used their financial success to pursue lifelong dreams and make meaningful changes in their communities. Takeaway: financial independence allows you to focus on meaningful pursuits and positively impact the world, enhancing your overall quality of life. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach offers a practical and accessible guide to achieving financial independence. By emphasizing automation, Bach simplifies the path to wealth, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their income level. The book's actionable strategies and real-life examples show that financial success is about consistent, automated habits that build wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.